every day in the UK has to start with a minimum cost of coffee. Hey you wonderful ladies and gents, boys and girls have all been fantastically good since the last time I saw you on the channel. In between this video and last one, thank you for all the comments, thanks for all the name suggestions for our lovely baby budgies that we're doing a little mini series of, and thank you so much for all our new subscribers to the channel as well. Massive love to you all. Hope you're all great. Okay, so my friends, if you don't know, this is like a mini vlogging series we're doing. This is video number 7 in our series, so I'll pop the previous video down below in the description section. And we're just doing the daily life of our aviary / breeding area and all that good stuff. But okay, first thing to note, my friends. Now, yesterday we weren't in here. I didn't even come in the bird room yesterday, purely because I'd done a 500-mile round trip here in the UK. I had to take one of our dogs to be mated, so that was really fun. So 500 miles later, I didn't even have a chance to get in here, have a look. I stuck my head through the window, that window over there, and just had a little peep, but it was fine. So guys, if you've been checking out our series, we do have, at the moment, 3 baby budgies, one of which is still in the nest box to my right there, and 2 of them. Now, last video, that little grey budgie there, you see the little grey one in the middle of the screen, that one was rooting about behind that pot. Well, there's Big Blue on the left and one of the diamond dogs. He was rooting about behind that pot. Now, last video, he just left the nest box. So in between 2 days ago and today, he's managed to work his way up to get on the big perches with the big boys up there. So he's doing great. He actually looks really good. Look at the barring on the top of his head. It's the same colour as his body, which is actually quite unique. They're normally a black barring or that sort of thing. So to match his body is quite good. It's like a powder grey. Guys, we need names for these, for our little budgies. We've got a suggestion down below, Sinatra and Benny, all sorts of cool names down below. But if you think you've got a name for them, guys, go ahead and pop it down in the comments section. I'll give you a little shout out on the next video, guys, and I'll add it down. Shh, they're so loud. There's that budgie over there, that yellow one. So loud. I'll give you a little shout out in the next video, guys. I'll try. I always say that, but I'll try. So yeah, we keep canaries, finches, budgies, and we've got a pair of diamond doves. And we haven't got any of the fun stuff. And I say fun stuff, I love keeping budgies and that sort of thing, but I haven't got any of the fun stuff. Fun stuff for me would be conures and lovebirds. And cockatiels, I really like lovebirds and cockatiels. Lovebirds are probably my favourite type of bird, but whenever we go on holiday, we have to put all these birds in that big aviary. And if you put a lovebird with anything like a hookbill, with any type of small bird like a budgie, even if they're there first, okay, I guarantee you, your lovely little pet budgie will have his toes nipped off. Finches not so much, well, they do, but finches are a lot faster, aren't they, than a budgie? They're a bit quicker, they can get out of the way of a lovebird. But if a lovebird is intent on causing some harm to your lovely little pets, unfortunately they will do. We've had many, and I've tried it before when I was like a newbie bird keeper, like years and years and years and years and years ago. Like when I was a newbie bird keeper, we'd put a cockatiel in first, then some budgies, and I brought just one peach-faced green peach-faced lovebird, just a bog standard peach-faced lovebird, very nice, pretty bird. But when I put it in there, first day was fine, second day was fine, it started to all kick off then. And before I knew it, there was bits of blood everywhere, and I was like, oh my god, what's happened? And he just pecked like 2 of the toes, only the end, you know, about, I'll say only the end, that's enough, isn't it? He pecked all the toes, not all of them, 2 of the toes off one of the feet. So it was really, really, it was really bad. So guys, I haven't had a chance, look, I'm doing this video as soon as I walk in the bird room. I haven't tidied up, I haven't cleaned, I haven't hoovered anything, but they've also got food and water, and this is the beauty of it, of little cages, guys. You can stock these little breeding boxes up. They're in there for about 4 or 5 months of the year, and they're spending the rest of the time, guys, in this massive flight. Natural perches and swing feeders and swingy ropes and a heat lamp and a little bob hole over there, which takes them. There's zebra finch in it right now. Look at it. Takes them outside to a little cage, so they can, you know, get some. The canaries always sleep out there. In fact, guys, I've done a little video, and I shall overlay it right now. So it's really late at night, but I just thought I'd show you how the canaries sleep outside. Just thought I'd show you how the canaries sleep. Here they are.
every night. I don't want to startle them. But no matter whether it's really, really warm, or really cold, or raining, this is how they sleep. He's just woke up now.
So that's cool, you get to see them all sitting outside, but that's actually what they're like at night time. That's actually what the canaries do at night. Even here in the UK, they're sitting inside, sitting outside, even getting wet. They just don't care. The canaries absolutely love it. Guys, if you're new around here, man, these two budgies, those two right there, up and down, now they're brothers, they're twins. We paired them up with hens, so they've both got hens each. Those two are going really well at the top. They're getting really cosy. Don't shoot me, guys. I'm going to tidy up all this bird room in a minute. We're just doing more of a vlogging one today rather than a jobs video, so I'm just going to chat away. But yeah, so we need some names for those guys. We've got some names down below. We're going to do like a little draw, and we'll. But I didn't want to put those cockbirds in with all these guys, especially when we had some new chicks, especially those two in the middle. They look beautiful. Zoom in. There's one more as well. So there's like a yellow one, like a pale frosted. We should call him Snowy, and I'm sure it's a cockbird. His ears starting to go blue above his nose, starting to go blue. An absolutely beautiful bird as far as birds go. But look at the difference. Look at the contrast, guys. They're brothers or brothers and sisters. Look at the contrast between brothers and sisters. How'd you get one that colour and one grey? And that yellowy pale one hasn't got no markings on it all. Look, absolutely just clear. They have a budgie called the Texas Clear Body, don't they? But yeah, anthracites are the ones you want, guys. The elusive anthracite budgie, the black budgie. They're so hard to breed. But we'd love to, we'd love to try and breed that sort of thing. We need some greener in here. That's what I brought these two for. I was hoping that he's paired with a lemon coloured hen, and they're grey, so they're both of the same colour, green and grey. They're going to be dark budgies, but we've got this yellow hen here. She looks beautiful by herself, doesn't she, guys? I hope you all agree. She looks fantastic by herself. But there's a sinister thing behind that budgie. If you... There's his mum. There's mum over there, look, with the last budgie. See, there's mum, the yellow budgie on top of the nest box right now. There's one chick left, the brother and sister of those two that we just showed you. So there's one chick left. So if you didn't know, all those three chicks were together. The father unfortunately died. He was my pride of possession budgie. He was a lovely bird, but he died, unfortunately. So if you don't know, those three chicks were in the nest box. So one day I'll come in, it was like a bloodbath in there. I was like, oh my god, this yellow budgie, I don't know why, I can only think that she was jealous. Yeah, so that yellow budgie in the middle there, I didn't take a photo because it was too gruesome, okay? So that yellow budgie in the middle had the back of its head all pecked away. It was like, not a hole, but there was so much blood there, it started to peck through. That little grey one there had almost its eye pecked out. It looks fine now, you wouldn't tell any different, but at the time, literally the mom had pecked, not the mom, sorry, that budgie in there. She'd been in there and pecked it. So that's what, I don't know what to do with this, guys. With this budgie. What suggestions down below? What should I do? I'm thinking of either finding her a pet home where there's no other budgies, where she can be the only bird, or she's a fantastic looking bird. Look at the colours of her. But would she be right with her own chicks again? You know, I don't know. It's a bit of a tricky one. If I was to pair her up and she got chicks again, she could literally kill the chicks. So I don't know. So at the minute, she's been a nice bird to us. I don't really know what to do at the minute. I might keep her as is over there at the minute, and then just play it by ear with her a bit. See how it goes. There's mum next to them there. There's the three of them there. The white one, the grey one, and the yellow one. And there's big blue on the left. She's a lovely hen, that big blue. Look at the difference there. You see the difference, guys, between a pet budgie, which would be the yellow one on the branch, yeah, and old blue is like an old showbird. So you see the difference, guys, between a pet budgie and a show budgie. The depth of chest look, the blow on top of her head, bigger spots, what they're bred for. Someone actually pecked her tail feathers. The tail feathers are much longer, actually. That's actually really nice coffee. Thank you, Mr. Costa. If you don't have a Costa in your country, guys, I feel sorry for you. Although you probably have another major coffee chain, which is equally as good. That's it for today's video, my friends. I'm going to go and crack on right now. Put this video on YouTube. I'm trying not to edit them loads, guys, so just minimal editing. Put some millet spray in there to grow my own shoots, you know. Fresh greenery, my friends. But at the minute they're just going for it on kale, and they've also got a huge bag of apples right there. So I'm going to crack on, go and put this video on YouTube right now, and then I'm going to, before that, I'm going to just tidy up all these cages because they look a mess. Okay? So if you like the video, as always, my friends, please go ahead, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's Aviary Guru. We've also got a website, Aviary Guru, and we've also got a Twitter, Instagram. We've got a Facebook page, Aviary Guru. If you want to pop along there and ask me any questions, you're more than welcome, guys. More than welcome. If you want to check out anything else, my friends, or you've got any questions for me, I love answering your questions. I genuinely answer them as fast as I can, as soon as I can. It's literally as quick as I can. I enjoy it. I like it. It's nice. You're asking me questions, I like that. We also need names for these new little budgies behind me. Need names for the baby budgies, so if you've got one, go ahead, pop it down below in the comment section. I'll add it to the description of the next video, and then I'll give you guys a shout out for putting those wonderful names in. And there's like thousands of you, and then I'll have to get my typing hand up. Okay, guys, until next video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, please, turn notifications, and we shall see you there, my friends. Bye!